Asuk zora korongma na singlai tongmani Tiprasa rok. Hanya hai Tipra mothorok tini Tiprasa ni leader ngui hai ka Bubagra bo. Central government ni bisingti Interlocutors ni chongi hojak IPS A.K Mishra bai kok lam salai kya. Kok tuma thumnai rok bai borok kok singjangmani pore borok saka aro. Separate autonomy, separate land, separate haste ni kok no bisirbak sajak ka jaga o. Tai Bubagra kok tuma thumnai rok bai kok singjangmani pore bo saka. Chung jini demand tongmani amono saka. Jini kok kuno tai ketal krwi. Jini je agini kok tongmani amono tongnai. Tai Tipraland ni bo tai tabuk government India ro bo wansuna nangnai Tiprasa ro bagai bong mokolo tam solution tong thinang ni bagai chini sana tang saka tabuk nanyai bong tom sa nga Bubagra borok tom saka ni singjak puro saka bo borok je sana tang writing or nai norok borok no sungidi borok tom saka nei kok tuma thumnai saka Bubagra jaga o tebo singjaka Kokborok hayake Tiprasa language no romani script bai sunyani bagai san laimani Bubagra saka amo bo tongnai Kokborok hayake kabru no romani script bai sunyani bagai san laimani Tiprasa language no amo bo tongnai ni saka engka haikeno Bubagra kok toma thumnai rok bai kwbangma kok singjangmani pore bo kwbangma phirong mungrui je agini kok no tongnai hini rok sawi saka tai bo kwbangma no Interlocutors chongi hojangmani tai kok lam salaimani amoroni tui kwbangma no kok saka Bubagra ni je kok samani mote ngakai borok jespan saitong thu kom chamung bai Pairina fana nai tongthung Bubagra songni bukhugni kok je Tiprasa Hamkrai ni bagai kok thaisa greater Tipraland nango separate autonomy nango ni samani khok thai ge saitongo bo kok toma thumnai rok bai tam singjaka bo tam saka nor khanainai di
हमने अपना जो बात रखा था हमने रख दिया उनके सामने हमने अपने इशू में कोई डिमांड को भी डाइल्यूट नहीं किया है जो हमारा पुराना इशू है वही इशू हमने रखा है सामने ग्रेटर तिप्रालैंड का अब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को कम बैक करना है कि उनके व्यू में हमारे तिप्रासा का भविष्य के लिए क्या सोल्यूशन वो रख सकते हैं तो हमने अपना पॉइंट रख दिया है उन्होंने सुना है अब उनके बॉल उनके कोर्ट में
वो क्या बोला
वो जो भी बोलेंगे राइटिंग में देंगे आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए उसने क्या बोला लेकिन हमने जो भी बोला है अपने कम्युनिटी के लिए बोला है अपने बारे एक डिमांड नहीं किया कम्युनिटी के बारे में
Sir, as you see the greater Tipraland and you have also raised the issue of constitutional solution. What type of constitutional solution would be good for this?
We have asked, according to us, a separate administration and a demand for greater Tipraland is the final solution. And we have put that point across to him very clearly and we have given our reasons. If the government of India has a better idea, then we should come back to us with a better idea in writing and we will consider it. We are not unconsiderable people. But the fact is that much like any community which has been deprived for such a long time, it is our point of view to put up our demand which is within the constitution and a demand for greater Tipraland is very much within the constitution of India.
So two issues, one is the Kokborok issue, has that been raised and another is
language is inherent to our demand. When Pakistan tried to impose Urdu language to the people of East Pakistan, the Bhasha Andolan started and that's why Pakistan also broke up into two pieces and Bangladesh was created. So it is in the people should understand that language cannot be dominated and whether it is Kok Tiprasa, Kaugru or Kokborok, whatever it is a language of the indigenous people and our language should be respected and our script and our demand for a script should also be respected.
And about the direct funding to the TTA, is that?
It's all within the demand of Greater Tipraland. Anything that we have demanded, everything comes under the demand of Greater Tipraland. We don't want to go piecemeal. Our demand is very much constitutional and we have put up a point. Now, it is up for the government of India to react and to honor what we are saying and also to acknowledge that the indigenous people of Tripura haven't been treated with equal representation or equal justice.
सर किस साथ मीटिंग हो रहा है आप लोग?
वो आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए. मैं तिपरा मोथा का फाउंडर होकर मैं आया हूँ हमारे साथ.
अभी जो समाजपति जो है उसके
वो आप उनसे समाजपति से पूछ लीजिए. वो ज्यादा बता सकते.